Hi everyone, welcome to our very interesting series on math challenges. Today's challenge is based on a magician's trick. So suppose in 5 seconds a magician can triple pink flowers and simultaneously quadruple blue flowers. 20 seconds after he begins, the total number of flowers is 917. Can you tell us how many flowers did he start with? So what are you waiting for? Pick up a pen and paper and try it out. I promise there is nothing more satisfying than trying it out on your own. Each of these math challenges is fun to solve and they are designed to sharpen your thinking skills and keep you constructively occupied. You may pause the video and take your time to attempt this question because next I am going to discuss the solution. Let us suppose in the beginning the number of pink flowers is P and the number of blue flowers is B. Since the flowers triple and quadruple every 5 seconds, let's take a stock of the number of pink and blue flowers after every 5 seconds till the 20th second. So initially, the magician begins with P number of pink and B number of blue flowers. After 5 seconds, the number of pink flowers will be triple, means 3 times of P. So there will be 3P. And the number of blue flowers is quadrupled, which means they become 4 times in every 5 seconds. Remember, quad means 4. Quadrilateral is a figure with 4 sides. So after 5 seconds, the number of blue flowers is 4 times B. After 10 seconds, number of pink flowers is 3 times the earlier state. 3 times 3P is equal to 9P. And number of blue flowers is 4 times the earlier state. 4 times 4B is equal to 16B. Again, after 15 seconds, number of pink flowers is 3 times the earlier state. 3 times 9P is equal to 27P. And number of blue flowers is 4 times the earlier state. 4 times 16B is equal to 64B. And finally, after 20 seconds, number of pink flowers will be 3 times the earlier state. 3 times 27P is equal to 81P. And number of blue flowers is 4 times the earlier state. 4 times 64B is equal to 256B. The total number of flowers after 20 seconds is given as 917. So we can add the number of pink and blue flowers after 20 seconds. This expression is equal to 917. Forming the correct equation is very important. Students often do a mistake at this stage. Solving the equation is the easier part. 81P plus 256B is equal to 917. And friends, do you realize this is a very special equation? Why so? The variables P and B stand for the number of flowers. So they have to be positive integers, countable numbers. So in such a scenario, when the total number of pink and blue flowers is given to be a constant, 917, sum of these two terms is a constant. So if we increase the variable P, then B decreases and vice versa. P and B, the number of pink and blue flowers in the beginning, are positive integers. So we will have finite number of solutions for this equation. Neither variable out of P and B can go negative. So only a few possible solutions. To solve such special equations, all we need to do is list down possibilities and rule out those which don't satisfy the equation. The easiest way to do this is to pick the term with the bigger coefficient, this one, and try to see the range of values that variable can take. So B, the number of blue flowers in the beginning, could be a minimum of 1, or they could be 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, or so on. Wait a second. Here comes a very important clue. Looking at the equation, B can only take values 1, 2 or 3 because if B is equal to 4, the number of blue flowers, which is 256 into B, will exceed 1000, isn't it? That means B can only take values 1, 2 and 3. Let's tabulate and see which of these values of B satisfy the equation. So if B is equal to 1, after 20 seconds, number of blue flowers is 256 and number of pink flowers is 917 minus 256, which is equal to 661. But 661 is not a multiple of 81. The number of pink flowers should be 81p, which means it should be a multiple of 81. So this option is ruled out. Next option is, if b is equal to 2, after 20 seconds, the number of blue flowers is 512 and number of pink flowers is 917 minus 512, which is equal to 405. Now 405 is a multiple of 81. 81 into 5 is equal to 405. So this is one of our answers. And quickly let's try out option number 3 as well. If b is equal to 3, after 20 seconds, number of blue flowers is 768 and number of pink flowers is 917 minus 768, which is equal to 149. But 149 is not a multiple of 81, so this option is also ruled out. That means our answer is this. P is equal to 5 and B is equal to 2. The magician began the show with 7 flowers. So that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed this maths challenge. Now try out our next challenge and post your answers in the comments box below. We'll be happy to receive your feedback on our videos and address your doubts and queries. Also, don't forget to like and share. Take care everyone.